CPI leader D. Raja, criticizing the Indian Premier League scandal in which several big names were involved, has called for a mechanism to put a hold on the workings of the independent governing body BCCI. He condemned the richest body for acting above the law. Slamming the entire fixing incident in the IPL, Raja expressed his anguish over the gentleman's game turning into a gamble. He questioned the authority of Indian Cricket Board and held it liable for the current mess.
It is very shameful to see how cricket, a genuine game, has been turned out to be a gamble. Match fixing, players are being bought and sold. They have become purchasable, sellable commodities. Match fixing going on, and it is very shameful. And there are some fundamental questions. One, what is BCCI? What is IPL? To whom they are answerable or accountable?
Seeking a tough mechanism to regulate the functioning of these independent bodies, the CPI leader criticized it for acting above the law.
They get a whole lot of concessions, economic, financial concessions from the government. But they are not answerable to finance ministry. They are sports bodies, but they are not answerable to the sports ministry. They are acting as though they are above the government, above law, and they are above the nation. It is atrocious on the part of BCCI and IPL to behave like this. But it is also shameful to see many leading politicians are part of BCCI and IPL, under whose nose all this match fixing was going on, betting was going on, this sale and purchase of players have been going on.
D. Raja believes the time has come for Parliament to intervene in the matter and bring the BCCI and the IPL under some authority.
Now, once the match fixing has been exposed, betting has been exposed like this, what next? That is the issue people are asking. People are asking. Now the time has come. The Parliament must evolve a kind of mechanism to bring all this BCCI and IPL answerable, or we will have to bring them under some authority.
He then called the people in charge of these independent bodies shameless who are living for money.
And there some serious measures will have to be initiated to look after these bodies, or if they don't agree, even there is a demand that these bodies should be dismantled or banned. Why people are asking for the ban of IPL? Because they think they are the above law, and they can do whatever they want to do. And whether Srinivasan continues or not, it is not my concern. And if these shameless people only living for money,